Today is a super realistic what I eat in a day as a vegan. For breakfast, I was craving cereal, so I am having some Raisin Bran. And I'm just going to sweeten it up with some agave. And to top it off, I am using almond milk. And this was my super simple breakfast of the day. For lunch, I'm making a buffalo chicken wrap, taking a tortilla and adding some garlic aioli and spreading that around the middle of the tortilla. Then I added some red pepper flakes. Next, I added some leafy greens. I added some spinach and some baby kale. Then I added some grape tomatoes that I cut in half. I also added a half an avocado, and I'm sprinkling everything with some onion powder. On top of that, I just added a Morningstar chicken patty that I cut up into small pieces. And finally, I'm drizzling everything with some buffalo sauce. I wrapped it all up off camera and then I cut it in half. And then I was ready to serve. This was my delicious lunch, and it was so good I had it the next day as well. For dinner, I meal prepped some stir fry, and it's just basmati rice, some stir fry veggies, and some spicy Cajun daring chicken, topped off with sesame seeds. After dinner, I wanted something a little bit sweet, so I just had these frozen grapes, which I absolutely love. They're like little popsicle bonbons. And that was everything I ate on that day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.